Handheld showerheads offer a convenient and versatile showering experience. There are many products available to choose handheld showerheads, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best handheld showerheads from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. AquaCare High Pressure 8-Mode Handheld Shower Head Anti-Clog Nozzles. The AquaCare Handheld Shower Head offers a revolutionary 8-setting 5-zone power head with self-clean anti-clog nozzles and built-in 2-mode tub and tile power Washington. The showerhead's nozzles remain clean for years of flawless performance, and the handle can be flipped to turn it into a high-pressure power wash to clean large areas or blast away stubborn grime. AquaCare is ideal for pet showers, with a unique dual-width fan spray that provides the perfect flow pattern for a fast and effortless pet shower. The package includes an extra-long 72-inch heavy-duty stainless steel hose, angle-adjustable overhead bracket, and an additional low-reach wall bracket that mounts securely on any surface for added mobility and reach. Number 2. 6-Mode High-Pressure Handheld Shower Headset. The HoppaPro handheld shower headset is upgraded with 6 selectable shower spray modes, including a water-saving mode. The panel contains 39 self-cleaning silicone jet nozzles and 15 ABS nozzles for easy maintenance, ensuring the water outlets remain unblocked. The set is made of high-quality ABS chrome and comes with a 59-inch stainless steel hose, 360 degrees rotatable and adjustable brass overhead bracket, anti-leakage Teflon tape, and anti-leaking rubber washers. Easy to install and comes with professional customer service. Number 3. Aquadance High Pressure 6-Setting 3.5-inch Chrome Face Handheld Shower. The Aquadance handheld shower is a high-quality shower head that has been tested to meet strict U.S. quality and performance standards. It features a deluxe 6-setting hand shower that can be used as an overhead or handheld shower. The high-power click lever dial and ergonomic grip handle make it easy to use, while the rub clean jets prevent lime buildup for easy cleaning. The angle-adjustable overhead bracket allows you to point the hand shower where you want it for hands-free operation at the desired angle. The extra flexible reinforced 5 feet stainless steel hose provides super flexible reach and mobility. With easy tool-free connection, it fits any standard shower arm, and the stunning gift box makes it a perfect gift. Number 4. Waterpik High Pressure Handheld Shower Head with Hose. Upgrade your shower experience with the Waterpik High Pressure Handheld Shower Head. Featuring a brushed nickel finish, this 7-mode shower head comes with a 5-foot stainless steel hose to make shower cleaning easier and convenient for bathing children or pets. Its patented Power Pulse therapeutic strength massage spray delivers twice the massage force for a rejuvenating shower experience, clinically shown to help soothe muscle tension, increase flexibility, and promote restful sleep. With easy DIY installation, this shower head is an affordable way to enhance your daily routine. Number 5. Dual Handheld Shower Head Combo. The MakeFit Shower Head Combo offers a versatile 2-in-1 design that combines a high-pressure rainfall shower head with a handheld spray, ensuring full body coverage while you bathe. You can easily adjust the angle and height of the brass and metal adjustable bar, avoiding leaks and providing optimal comfort. With 10 unique spray modes, you can customize your shower experience to suit your preferences, whether you desire a gentle mist or a powerful massage. Additionally, the point jet mode and long hose transform this shower head into an effective cleaning tool, making it perfect for tackling tough bathroom tasks.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.